The Acrostic Name Project. An acrostic is a poem in which the first letters of each line spell out a word or phrase. The subject is the word written up and down. This will be your name. Barnes, in this example, is the subject. Each letter is the starting letter for a word that describes the subject. Brilliant, awesome, resourceful, neighborly, exceptional students. These words describe Barnes' students. First, we had to brainstorm for words that describe us. Helpful, cool, unique, smart, but I had a problem. None of those words began with a letter in Barnes. Don't worry, you can always use a thesaurus. A thesaurus is a book that lists synonyms or antonyms for words. Brilliant, awesome, resourceful, neighborly, exceptional students. So I used a thesaurus, and before I knew it, I had a POW, an awesome acrostic poem. You will be writing an acrostic poem using your name. You'll put the letters up and down for your name in the acrostic poem that's attached to this assignment. And then you will brainstorm or list words that describe you that start with each letter in your name.